Welcome back. So I am Mohammad Rameez Imdad here from the Rameez Scripts, and today I'm sharing some exciting news with you that's going to be a game changer for all of us. We are launching a brand new series on our channel, which is the PHP or MySQL REST, right? You listen correctly, the PHP or MySQL series, and believe me, this is going to take your projects to the next level. And don't matter what kind of project you will do, it will give you the best results every time. So on the other hand, you can see there is a dashboard template which I also show you later. But first, we will discuss about why we need the PHP and MySQL series. Okay, so now you are thinking about that Google Sheet or App Script is working great on our channel. So why we need the PHP or MySQL series? Okay, so let me be very clear with you. Google Sheet and App Script content will continue. I will not stop it. I will continue uploading the Google Sheet or App Script as it is per week, 2 videos as per our schedule. But why you need a PHP or MySQL? So, but when you need a PHP or MySQL, the main question is that when your company grows, your user increases, when your data goes from thousand to millions, from millions to billions rows, okay, that's when you need professional grade roles, and that's exactly where PHP and MySQL come in. If we do the comparison between the Google Sheet and PHP or MySQL, there's a lot of differences between them. So there is a comparison table in front of you. You can see if we talk about the maximum data capacity, then the Google Sheet can only handle 10 million cells limit, and PHP plus MySQL handles unlimited data. And the concurrent users, Google Sheet and AppScript will not handle concurrent users. This is the main thing what I observe in these past 3 years. And the PHP plus MySQL can handle thousands of users simultaneously, and the execution time in the app script is 6 minute limit. But in the PHP or MySQL, there is no execution limit in case of the speed. Slow. Google Sheet is slow with large data. Yes, if your data is large and you will use your Google Sheet for 1 month, for 2 months, and it will be slowed down because there is a large amount of data you will put in your sheets. Okay, so on the other hand, PHP plus MySQL, it is lightning fast queries that can handle your query within milliseconds, not taking a huge time even your data is very large. So this is the major benefit you will get here in sense of the speed. And also the PHP plus MySQL gives you a better security than the Google Sheets. And in the PHP or MySQL, you can do a lot of things, a lot of benefits in them, and it will working fine also if you have a cheap level hosting, a cheap level domain. Don't worry, it will work locally or hosting on online, so you can use it as per on your need. If you want to use your system offline, you can also use them offline, and if you want to use your system online, you can also use them. So data ownership in Google Sheets, your data is controlled in your Google servers, but PHP or MySQL, it is your own servers. Okay, there's a lot of benefits I have mentioned here what you can do in the PHP or MySQL. Number one is very professional thing. You can do your professional brandings, your own domain name, and everything you can, because PHP or MySQL is scalable and you can add unlimited features in them step by step. So your own domain first of all comes any API integrations. You can connect any API, Gmail, ChatGPT, Gemini, whatever you want to attach, it can easily integrate. OAuth and API keys, what we have used in our website for the login, continue with the Google. So you can also attach this feature in them, and this is the lightning fast queries complete in milliseconds, not in the seconds. Okay, unlimited users, you can handle unlimited users and unlimited data. Okay, so there is unlimited data, you can store billion of records, full control, your data, your server, your rules, nothing more. No limitations, do anything you can imagine. Okay, do anything you can imagine. This is cost effective. Cheap hosting works also great, industry standard. Like you can see the WordPress use it, the WordPress is using the PHP or MySQL, the mobile ready build APIs for mobile apps, and the carrier got high demand in the market as well. Okay, so our promise with you, we will never stop the Google Sheet or AppScript content for you. We will continue that series, but with the parallelly, we will do the PHP or MySQL. So you can see for small to medium projects, quick prototypes and automations, our foundation continues. And for large scale enterprises projects, unlimited users and data professional applications, we will choose the PHP plus MySQL. And you will have both kind of videos on our channel. You will become a complete developer by following our tutorials as well. So join the journey, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss a video. Comment PHP ready if you are excited. Please subscribe and stay tuned with us. So now there is a subscribe button which goes to you completely free. You just simply come to here and subscribe and press all the bell icons. That's it, nothing costs to you. Okay, fine. So this is our PHP template which we will be used in over all the series. So I will show you. This is a login screen, and I just simply log in into my dashboard, and you can see this is just a template, not a fully project, and this is a base template what we will use in our every project. So you can say this is a starter template. So the thing is that here you can manage the users management, add, edit, delete, update users, and in the my account section, my profile section is very important. So you can upload your profile image, and there's your account information, and there's your passwords, and this is the important section, the UI customization. Yes, this is the UI customization. Customize your dashboard colors. Changes are saved per user and will apply across all the pages. Okay, so whenever your user, your employer, whatever role you have defined in your system, uh, the user, the role you have defined, can customize the UI according to their needs. So let me show you an example. This is a UI, so present applied, and you can preview the changes. So you can see all the database is updated to this particular color, and you can simply save theme. So now this custom theme is saved to in our database. Okay, so let if I what happen if I create a new user, I just simply click on this add new user, and this is the admin one, and email I will just simply add here the demo at the rate gmail.com, and this is a user, and just simply click on this save. So when I click on this save, as of now user is created out successfully, and also the light and dark mode is available in the system. And I just simply log out, and when I log out from the system and I just log in with our new user, so here you can see this is a user dashboard, and in the my profile section, so if we go to the light mode, so there is no themes updated because the previous theme we have applied just for the admin. Now the user can customize their theme according to their needs as well. So you can see this is a user dashboard, and users have different colors according to their likeness. So just simply click on this save theme settings, and that's all. And the dark or light mode is also working. And I just log out from the system again, and just log in again for the admin. And in the admin you can see the color for the admin is already there. So each users have their unique URL, and also the thing, the sidebar will be collapsible. And the main thing is that this is also mobile friendly, completely mobile friendly, so you can easily use them on any device. So this is our PHP or MySQL starter template, which we will be utilized in our all the videos. And this is exactly same the UI as per our Google Sheet or app script. So don't worry, we keep continue the design. If we change the design, we will change the design of the both PHP and the Google Sheets both. So we thank you very much. You support me too much, and you make me almost 20k subscribers, and this will be a great achievement for me. So it's my player, and I will make the best videos for you in the PHP or MySQL. I will never feel you down. So you can trust us, and you can subscribe our channel to get the interesting content on your doorstep. So we thank you very much. Take care.